So guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max overheating issue. Lot of iPhone user reported that their iPhone 15 series overheating issue. So how to fix that issue? There are some method to fix that issue. So let's start video without wasting any time and see how we can fix that issue. Firstly, and basic method, if you are using any case on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, just remove the case and then it will fix your overheating issue. Okay, if that method not working and you are still facing overheating issue on your iPhone 15 series, move to the next solution. The next solution is never use any Android C type cable for your iPhone charge. Okay, always use iPhone C type charging cable for charge your iPhone 15 series. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check any pending iOS update. If you have any pending iOS update, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS update. It will fix your issue. To check that, open iPhone settings, tap on general, tap on software update. Okay, make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone 15 series. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone 15 series, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS update and it will fix your issue. So friends, by doing that simple 2 to 3 step, you can easily control the iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max and 15 all models overheating issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.